Over a century ago, America went through a second industrial revolution led by visionary accomplishments like the Wright brothers' first flight and Henry Ford's Model T assembly line. At the same time, Americans fell in love with a new pastime, motorcycle racing. Early motorcycle events took place at horse racing venues and bicycle velodromes. Eventually, as crowds' attendance began to increase, wooden plank tracks were designed for competitive motorcycle racing, and the sport was born. Many motorcycle racers were privateers, or entrants who were not supported by any automobile manufacturer. They competed for the joy of the sport, unpaid, and in charge of rebuilding and maintaining their own motorcycles. An early example of a favourite bike used by these privateers is the Gladiator racer. Gladiators were racing motorcycles manufactured by Karlsson out of Skovde, Sweden, between 1912 and 1919. The Gladiators lived up to their moniker, competing up to 5 times a week, which burned them out quickly. The conditions of early racetracks were no help to the longevity of the bikes. Despite primitive racing conditions, Gladiators were star-performing lightweight motorcycles with reinforced frames. Designed with a large cylindrical brass tank, belt drive and pedals, it also came equipped with rim brakes and basic front suspension. However, the Gladiator racers came with no clutch. The feature became an option for later models. In 1919, as Karlsson was facing financial issues, the plant caught fire and the company went bankrupt. Now only a handful of original Gladiator racers still exist. This Gladiator racer is a magnificent replica of the 1913 cream-coloured model produced by Karlsson. It is a perfect representation of the second industrial revolution era and the roots of motorcycle racing. Racing has changed drastically since the time of wooden racetracks, but the sport owes its popularity to the success and excitement offered by early motorcycles like the Gladiator racer. Motorcycle enthusiasts and racing historians can view this rare and beautiful reproduction at Throttlestop in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. Throttlestop is a premier destination for motorcycle and car enthusiasts. Our motto, driven by passion, isn't just a statement, it's an invitation. If you're passionate about cars, motorcycles, and their history, Throttlestop is the destination for you. We welcome you to visit us.